I'm going to show you where to find your Facebook user ID and how to set a username for yourself. Your user ID is a unique numeric identifier for your account, used mainly for app integrations. To check it, go to your profile, tap the three dots in the top corner, and near the bottom, you'll see your profile link. This link points to your profile, but if you look closely at the end of it, you'll see ID equals followed by a string of numbers. That string is your user ID. Now, if you want to set a username for yourself, go to the homepage first, then tap the menu in the top left corner. I believe some phones will sometimes have that menu on the bottom right instead. And from there, we're going to go to Settings and Privacy, and below that, we'll go to Settings. Once you're there, go to Accounts Center. And within Accounts Center, find your profile, and there'll be a section for your username. Type in what you want, tap Done, and you're all set. Once that's set, you can use that username as a direct link to your profile too. So it'd be facebook.com/your username. Just keep in mind, usernames have to be unique across all of Facebook. So if you try a common name or something similar, there's a good chance it's already taken. Two people can't have the same username, so you might need to add numbers or customize it slightly to make it unique. If it won't let you set a username at all, you may need to verify your phone number first. Also, if your account is brand new, Facebook sometimes makes you wait a bit before allowing you to set one. And that is how you set a username and check your user ID on Facebook. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks.